Hi guys, we are on charge. This charger is going to come out now because it's been charging a lot. You see that what? The things up there. This needs sorting one day. It's been my mum's birthday. It was 2 days ago, and you guys who want to subscribe, and I've made well this is like a Knex video really now, but I've made that. It's a helicopter Knex, made out of Knex. Goes like that. Pretty sick. Let me just turn it off. Yeah, and then we've got these rockets. How would you call them? Goes like that. Pretty awesome as well. We've got the main Ferris wheel. If you can see, we'll just turn the lights on it. You can see the light just came on. That's me turning the lights on. I still haven't turned them on properly yet. And that's a Ferris wheel. I'm not going to move it down because it'll take ages. Well, it won't, but I'm just going to show you quick clips so this video can't bore you. Look at that on the ceiling there. Woo! It's disco time, disco time, disco, disco. Well, I can't see where I'm controlling it because I'm actually looking at the camera. But seriously cool. And then I've got this, which is the Knex roller coaster. Epic, I would say. Sorry that this video is a bit dark as well. I'm filming late, and it's really late. Well, it's not late. It's only like 5:30. But now in the UK, but I live in the UK. The daylight has been extended. Look, as you can see, it's just getting a bit darker now outside. Pretty not going to show you that much boringness. Plus that I'll prove you the time. The time in the UK when this video is uploaded. This video is uploaded at 5:25. So not long till 6 o'clock. And I'm just gonna keep speaking about different things. I don't know what this intro is gonna be. Well, not the intro, but the title of the video. Yeah, I got hit in the head by a basketball today at school. It's all the whole point of it's gone now. But I did, and yeah, it was hard. It hurt today. It hurt quite a lot actually. And yeah. Thanks for watching these videos. Please subscribe. And that Rocket League video, I put a lot of effort into it. So smash that like button on it. Give some subscribers to me, lads. Give me like 20 subscribers and there'll be a special video. And yeah. See you later.